Jimmy Alapag has been appointed as the new head coach of the NLEX Road Warriors sa PBA. So what does this mean for MVP Group and the NLEX Road Warriors franchise? Okay, so for context lang, the past 5 years, they've been always consistent sa quarterfinals and meron silang mga strong elimination rounds pero parang hindi lang kasi laging nakaka-push through. For the upcoming PBA season, nag-decide yung NLEX na i-hire si Coach Jimmy Alapag straight from the NBA as a player development coach from the Sacramento Kings. Now he's back in the PBA to coach in the PBA. Syempre, NBA culture ang pinakauna. Jimmy Alapag has been coaching in the NBA or has been working for an NBA team for the past few years since 2021. Una, nag-assistant coach siya sa developmental team ng Sacramento Kings and then naging player developmental coach siya sa NBA for the Sacramento Kings. And I think malaking bagay yung NBA experience sa Jimmy Alapag. Alam naman natin kung anong klaseng player si Jimmy Alapag and then nag-coach na rin siya sa Alab Pilipinas sa ABL and napag-champion niya yung team na yon. I think wala namang nagda-doubt ng skill set ni Coach Jimmy. Ngayon, coming from an NBA organization, mas further lang yung knowledge ni Jimmy Alapag into his early coaching career. And at the same time, na-experience niya na kagad yung highest level of coaching. Hindi man siya assistant coach for the Sacramento Kings, but being around the coaching staff, naririnig niya how NBA coaches are, yung environment of being in the best league in the world. I think malaking bagay na yun sa coaching career ng isang tao. So, yun yung isang bagay na madadagdag ni Coach Jimmy Alapag na natutunan niya sa NBA and hopefully ma-apply niya dito sa NLEX Road Warriors. And isa sa mga bagay na tingin ko malaking asset na may bibigay ni Coach Jimmy Alapag is yung, obviously, is yung coaching philosophy and leadership. Alam naman natin kung anong klaseng leader si Jimmy Alapag, tinawag nga yun na the captain. And alam natin kung anong klaseng leadership ang kayang dalhin ni Jimmy Alapag. And for sure, magbabuy-in yung mga players sa kung anumang sistema yung gustong gawin ni Jimmy Alapag para sa NLEX Road Warriors. I mean, given na yun yung leadership na kaya niyang ibigay and yung IQ niya sa basketball, walang kahit sinong player na magdududa at hindi magbabuy-in at hindi re-respeto sa isang Jimmy Alapag. And syempre yun nga, having guys like Robert Bolick, si Kevin Alas nandiyan pa rin, si Shani Winston. I think itong mga players na to yung pinaka magbe-benefit sa leadership ni Coach Jimmy Alapag. You know, Jimmy Alapag being a point guard, being a captain, being a natural leader, being one of the best point guards to ever play in the PBA. And then mako-coach niya yung mga kagaya ni Robert Bolick at ni Kevin Alas. Robert Bolick is already one of the best PBA players right now. He's a scoring champion. Kaya niya mag-playmake and you know, playing under a Jimmy Alapag with his experience, with his IQ, with his leadership. Kung ikaw si Robert Bolick, man, wala ka na siguro nga hanapin. And ikaw yung main player ni Jimmy Alapag, di ba? May-imagine mo na lang yung conversations na matututunan mo just from being around Jimmy and just being the main guy for Jimmy Alapag. Jimmy Alapag was the shot creator, the clutch player. Siya yung may hawak ng bola on crucial situations. Ganun din si Robert Bolick. So imagine mo na lang yung conversations nila on the bench during those moments being Jimmy Alapag's best player, di ba? So yun, I think yung mga yon, especially Robert Bolick, sila yung mga magbe-benefit sa leadership nito ni Jimmy Alapag. Napabalita din na isa sa mga unang ginawa ni Coach Jimmy Alapag is assigning Coach Jamike Jerin as one of his assistant coaches. Personally, I think yung system ni Coach Jamike is one of the best nung nagko-coach pa siya sa UAAP. He's one of those structured talaga na maganda yung sistema. Ilan pa sa mga bagay na maiaambag ni Jimmy Alapag sa NLEX franchise is work ethic at saka mentorship. Well, Jimmy Alapag is one of those guys talaga na if you ask kung sino mang mga PBA players out there, they know na ito si Jimmy, he's the real deal. He's a natural leader. He is a natural captain. Alam mo yung work ethic ng isang Jimmy Alapag. Meron pa nga mga national team stories yung mga Gilas players nung time nung 2014 era. Talagang nung pagpasok nila sa World Cup nung 2014, talagang sinabihan sila ni Coach Jimmy Alapag na bawal tayo magpa-picture dyan sa mga international players na yan, sa mga NBA guys kasi we're here to compete. Nandito tayo para makipag-compete, hindi para maging fan ng mga yan. And then merong silang mga stories na parang si June Mariata nagpa-picture sa isang NBA player, I'm not sure who, Jokic, I can't remember. Tapos sobrang nagalit daw si Jimmy Alapag na hindi tayo fan, kalaban natin yan, dapat same level tayo niyan. So dun pa lang as a player, kitang-kita mo na yung leadership niya and yung pagiging captain talaga ni Jimmy Alapag and the way he treats yung game, ganun siya kaseryoso when it comes comes to his craft. Ganun yung dinidemand niya sa mga players niya, ganung level na Team Philippines tayo pero dapat nandito tayo same level natin yung ibang European player. Another thing na siguro may dadagdag na isang Jimmy Alapag for being back in the PBA is yun nga, fan excitement. Yung lang signing niya as a head coach, parang meron na kagad hype eh. So, kita mo na kagad dun yung fan excitement. Meron pa ako nababasa online yung rivalry between him and LA Tenorio now as a head coach of the Magnolia Hotshots, diba? Dati sila yung magkakampi sa Gilas, sila yung main point guards ng Gilas, sila yung rival sa PBA, from battling as a player, point guard to point guard in the PBA, being the best 2-point guards in the PBA, now battling as head coaches of their respective teams. Isa yun sa mga abangan natin. For sure, ibang level yung excitement ng laro na yun, and para sa mga fans din, diba, na makita nila ulit si Coach Jimmy at si Coach LA na nag-battling on the basketball court, not as players now, but as head coaches. And sobrang nakaka-excite lang makita yun, diba? As a fan, I grew up watching those two, you know, playing together, playing against each other, and now playing against each other as head coaches of their respective team. This time, hindi sila nagpapagalingan sa basketball skills, nagpapagalingan sila sa utak as head coaches ng mga team. So, parang chess match to ng dalawang, you know, great point guards ng Philippine basketball. So, for sure, isa ako sa mga sobrang excited talaga na makita yung duelo na yun. Yun nga, isa pa sa mga nakita akong bagay about this signing is yung long-term franchise building para sa NLEX Road Warriors. Being an MVP team, and alam naman natin na main team ng MVP ay yung Token Tex. And hindi natin alam kung gaano katagal si Coach Jimmy sa NLEX, but for sure, matagal siyang magtatrabaho para sa MVP Corporation, para sa MVP Group, and may chance pa rin siguro na maging part siya ng coaching staff ng Gilas. Pero kahit saan pumunta si Coach Jimmy Alapag, with his experience, with just the kind of person he is, with his resume as a player and as a coach, alam mo talaga na parang merong long-term franchise building dyan eh. Kahit saan siya pumunta. Pag nagstay yan sa NLEX ng matagal, for sure, eventually, itong NLEX ay magiging contender if they stick to it. Kung ma-move man siya ng team, kahit saan siyang pumuntang team, I think kaya niyang gawing contenders yung team na yon. I just admire Coach Jimmy Alapag, the way he is, the way he played, and the way he coached. Sa short coaching stint ni Coach Jimmy, champion coach na yan eh. Sa International League pa na ABL, although ASEAN lang yon or Asia lang yon, diba? It's still an international coaching experience, playing against Americans, playing against other cultures. Yun nga, being surrounded by the NBA environment, and you know, may imagine mo na lang yung philosophy, yung knowledge na nakuha ni Coach Jimmy just by being in an NBA environment. So excited ako na ma-apply niya yung lahat sa PPA. Yun, overall take lang naman is obviously it's a good signing for NLEX, and maraming fans na may excite sa signing na to, and hopefully Jimmy Alapag does well and mag-succeed siya sa kanyang head coaching career. And alam naman natin, it's given out there na parang hindi porket magaling kang player ay magaling kang head coach, and alam naman natin lahat yan. Pero I think Jimmy Alapag has already proven that he can coach. Like I said, champion coach na nga siya sa ABL. Nakapunta na siya ng NBA, assistant coach, player development coach. I don't see kung paano pa siya magfe-fail sa PBA. I think him having those experiences abroad already, kahit short years pa lang, pagdating sa knowledge at coaching IQ, I think mas malayo, mas lamang nakagad siya sa ibang mga PBA coaches na plainly sa PBA lang talaga nakapag-coach at nandun lang yung buong resume nila. So, ayun, congrats kay Coach Jimmy, and I'm very excited. We are all very excited to see his PBA debut as a head coach, and welcome back to the Philippines, Coach Jimmy. And yeah, yun lang. Peace.